Welcome to the first fist of Daigo tutorial. This is a dirty, unorthodox technique that can work to pull a fast one on the opponent. First, we start by getting a gauge of distance. We start by demonstrating using the light tatsu. Immediately jump with heavy punch. On landing, immediate crouching fierce punch uppercut. Daigo Umehara once said and laughed at the Tanaka jump. This is so stupid yet it works, but why does it work? It plants the idea that you whiffed a jump that shouldn't look like it has fast recovery as the opponent is reeling from your tatsu knockdown. That the opponent has been planted the inception idea so they feel compelled to anti-air and wake up and forgo the block. Where as you land in crouch block and after catching the opponent not blocking you slam them with a heavy crouching fierce uppercut. And finally, a demonstration of full damage cash out. Thank you for watching.